What's the meaning of bard? Bard. Bard.
Bard. Bard. The word bard refers to a poet or singer who composes and recites epic poems, often in a traditional style. In ancient times, bards were highly respected members of society, as their poetic skills were seen as a means of preserving and passing down cultural history and folklore. Bards often traveled from place to place, spreading news, stories, and songs, and were known for their ability to captivate audiences with their mastery of language and rhythm. Today, the word bard is often used more generally to describe anyone with a talent for storytelling or musical performance, regardless of style or tradition.